Right, so today is Monday. It's day one of trying the Organised Mum Method, or the Team Tom method of keeping my house clean and tidy. So I've written down how long it's taken me to do things. I am taking longer than she's telling you to. But I don't know if that's just because I'm a beginner or because I'm a bit too particular. So it actually took me, so my level 1 jobs for today were to do a load of laundry. I haven't hoovered the main walkway areas yet because I tried to do that after dinner because that's when the kids make the most mess. If I do it in the morning, it's pointless because they've got 3 meals to eat and they're like pigs. So I will do that after we've had our dinner. My other level 1 jobs were to wipe the bathroom over and make the beds. So I changed my sheets yesterday, so I just had to make my bed, but I had to strip 2 of the bunk beds and make Lily's bed. So that took extra time as well, longer than it would normally do just to make the beds. So it took me 25 minutes to strip 2 of the beds, make Lily's bed, make our bed, fold and put away the washing, clean the kitchen cupboards and sides. That's not part of the 15 minutes, but that's something I like to do daily because I've got gloss cream cabinets and 3 children. So if I did it like once a week, they'd look disgusting by the time the kitchen day rolled around. So that's like an extra thing that I want to do. And I do like to give my hallway and my doorway, my front door, a quick wipe over each day, just because the kids step on it with their shoes, and if I left that for a whole week it would be really grimy by the time I came to it. But that takes no time at all. So it took me 25 minutes to do all that, and then when my washing had finished in the machine, it took me 8 minutes to hang that out, and it took me 6 minutes to clean the bathroom and to wipe the floor over in the bathroom and by the front door. So I guess 25 plus 6 is 31, plus 8 is 39. So 39 minutes of housework today. Not including the regular stuff you have to do, like washing the dishes. I had to empty the bins and the recycling. And then obviously the stuff of feeding people, making them food and tidying up after that, wiping the table down. So that's all extra, I guess. I think the end of the point of this is going to be that mum's just never stopped working. So I've still got to do my level 2 job for today, which I'm not doing in the living room on the Monday because I've changed the bed sheets. I need to make the boys' beds. I'm going to switch it and do the bedrooms today. So I need to give my room a good dust and a thorough hoover and do all the edges and things. And I need to make the boys' beds and dust and hoover properly in their room as well. So I'll let you know how I got on, how long that all takes me. Right, so you have to excuse my appearance. It is like 20 past 9 and it is the end of day 1 of me following the Organised Mum Method of housework. Sorry, my brain went on a tangent then. So it has taken me longer than it says in the blog to do my jobs. So I went through the times it took me earlier. It took about 45 minutes to do both the bedrooms. But I did have to put clean sheets on 2 of the boys' beds. It would have taken me longer if I was doing 3 of the kids' beds, but I don't change Lily's as much because she only stays in there a couple of hours each night. So I change the boys' beds every 2 weeks because it's such a pain in the bum because they're both on like the top bunk. And then I change Lily's like every month because she just doesn't sleep in them very often. So they just don't need changing. I took all the cuddlies off, rearranged them, gave it a wipe off. Hoovered thoroughly in their room, dusted their room really well, dusted my room really well and gave my room a thorough hoover. I changed my bed sheets yesterday, so I didn't need to do that. But although it has taken me longer, I feel more in control today. I feel like I haven't been chasing my tail. I've just been more organised in my head and I've got everything done, and it is now 20 past 9 almost. And I know that sounds late to a lot of people, but like I've been doing other things as well. Like I've done most of my lunch prep for tomorrow for the kids. Their uniforms are out. It's been better. So I think I'll get quicker as well as time goes on, and I'll report back obviously on it is Monday today, isn't it? Yeah, it's Monday today. Sorry, because it's a bank holiday Monday, it's thrown me. So tomorrow will be Tuesday, and I'll report back in a different video, because this one's probably quite long now, how I get on Tuesday. But at the moment, I think we're on to something with this. I mean, Gemma Bray obviously is on to something. You know, she's a best-selling author and loads of people follow this. But I think I have finally gotten onto it and I'm a fan, I think. So I will see you in the next video. If you like it, please subscribe or click the notification bells, all those other YouTubey bits and bobs. And I will see you in the next one, which will be the review of Tuesday.